In a quiet, sunlit kitchen where the aroma of morning coffee fills the air, a story unfolds that touches on life's fundamental lessons. Today, we delve into a simple yet profound tale of resilience, a lesson in navigating life's persistent challenges with grace and strength. Meet a young man grappling with the weight of endless problems. Frustrated and seemingly stuck in a cycle of fixing one issue only for another to arise, he approaches his father. He shares his struggles, feeling as though life is a continuous uphill battle, and he's losing the fight. Understanding yet unswayed, the father listens with a wise smile. Without a word of advice, he takes his son into their warm kitchen, a place of solace and routine. He methodically fills 3 pots with water. Into the first pot, he drops a firm potato, into the second, a fragile egg, and into the third, a small handful of raw coffee beans. The stove clicks on, and the kitchen hums with the comforting sound of boiling water. Time passes gently, the calm atmosphere heightened by soft, mellow music. The 3 pots represent a quiet but powerful demonstration in process, shaping its quiet lesson. After 15 minutes tick by, the father's task is complete. He carefully withdraws the items and places them each into their separate bowls. Then, turning to his son with a questioning gaze, he invites him to observe. The question is simple but purposeful. What does he see before him? The young man observes the soft potato, the solidified egg, and the transformed water surrounding the coffee beans. These are no longer just ingredients, they tell a story. The once hard potato succumbs to its environment, becoming soft and yielding. The fragile egg, once delicate, now stands firm, its shell the only constant. But it is the coffee beans that intrigue him most. They have transformed their very surroundings, brewing something entirely new. With insight born of experience, the father explains the metaphor. Each of these items faced the same adversity, boiling water. Yet each responded differently. He gently challenges his son to consider which of these he will be when life's inevitable pressures mount. As the scene settles, the father's wisdom is clear. Hardship doesn't define you. It's how you meet it that shapes who you are. The challenge lies in the choice to not just endure, but evolve, to let adversity refine and better you. The message resounds clearly. Life will always bring the heat, testing us with its boiling moments. Yet in those moments, we possess the power to choose our response, to transform trials into opportunities for personal growth and positive change. In wrapping up this lesson, we're invited to reflect on our own lives. When life's pressures swell, will we weaken, become hardened, or rise with purpose like the coffee beans? This decision is ours to make. Choose wisely and embrace the journey with resilience and transformation at heart.